problem is reverse nodes in k groups. So given head of a linked list, we need to reverse the nodes of the list k at a time and return the modified list. So let's take an example to understand this better. If the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we need to reverse the here k is equal to 2. So the first two elements would be reversed. So 2 would start pointing to 1. Similarly, for 3, 4, it would be 4 pointing to 3. In the next example, for the same list, our k is equal to 3. So we need to reverse the first three nodes. It becomes 3 to 1. The next group does not have k nodes, it just have 2 nodes. So in that case, we need to leave it as is. So let's try writing some pseudocode for this. Handle, null, and single noded list. So this is a corner case scenario. In this case, if we have known, if the input is null, or if we just have one single node, then we don't need to reverse anything. We can return it as is. Then check if group contains k nodes, else return reverse k nodes recursively. Next group. So let's convert this into Java code now. If L is equal to null or head dot next is equal to null, in that case we'll just return head equal to 0, I less than k, I plus plus. So let's define a few variables. List node current, let's point it out to head. List node previous. Initially it would be null. A temp variable which would be used while reversing the nodes. So initially let's point that to null as well. First we are checking if we have n k nodes or not. So if current is equal to null, return head, and we would say current is equal to current dot next. So this loop will check that and guarantee that we have k nodes. Then let's reset head. Now we need to reverse the first k. Reversing mainly means that for every current, we'll set it to point to the previous element. So int I is equal to 0, I less than k, I plus plus. Current should start pointing to previous. Previous will, and then let's advance previous and current. An additional check we'll have to do is current not equal to null. Now, by the end of this, our head should start pointing to the next group. So you can say head dot next is equal to current, which would be the last one, and k, and then return head, return previous element, because we need to return the last element, which becomes the head now.